What's up mga pre? Today we're gonna go vote. But actually not me, Eugene will vote only. I still cannot vote. But today is the day of voting. Wait, what are we voting for? Senador?
Yeah.
It's voting for Senador. I never actually voted yet in the Philippines and I still cannot really vote. I'm not allowed yet. I'm just a resident. And I'm really curious the system, how it all works in Philippines. Because every single time, kahit dati pa, when we were still LDR, Eugene always send me picture and show me like, may fingerprint?
Fingerprint.
Yung
ink,
parang ink sa daliri. Avi, could you not do that? Meron ka na shoes. Meron na. That's why I asked Eugene to sumama with him because I want to see how it all works there. How do they process it?
Kasi last time mga pre, yung voting ng president, hindi ko na siya sinama nun dahil sobrang init. Ngayon, curious daw siya.
Teka lang, so init na naman.
Not so, kaya nga hapon tayo pupunta eh.
Well, let's see how it will go. Of course, I think I cannot enter there. I would just be sa labas.
Para makita mo, hindi mo kasi ma-imagine pa. Sabi ko sa'yo, school lang naman yan, ganyan.
School, parang...
kasi ako, mga pre, hindi ako botante dito sa sa San Juan. Botante pa rin kasi ako sa Antipolo.
Because he's still in Antipolo.
Sa Kupang. May sasabihin sana ako sa'yo, kaya lang baka matakot kayo. Pero saan na lang, after vlog na lang. I mean, pag-uwi na lang natin.
Na delikado yan kay Sobe?
Hindi.
If it's a dangerous Sobe,
hindi.
I'm gonna murder you.
Hindi. Murder me? Mas delikado ka pala. Gising na si Sobe?
Nagising.
Paano nagising?
Makita wow or something.
Ay. Baka bumalik sa tulog yan.
Babalik yan.
Tignan natin kung babalik siya sa tulog. Baka bumalik sa tulog. Tutulog ka ulit, tutulog. Si Sobe kapag medyo siguro gising na, saan kami pupunta.
Where is that? In barangay talaga?
Hindi.
Hindi?
School siya.
Ay, school.
Tara! Tuloy mo na Sobe muna.
I will get Sobe. I will go Sobe.
Wala akong dala ditong kasya. Pasok ka na. First time na sasakayin.
Sabit na lang ikaw.
Ilanan ba?
Sa dalawa ng tricycle para
Sige, tatlo dito.
Oo. Kami ni Vika. Ayan. Kami sumakay ng ng tricycle. Sobe, it's your first time. Okay. Kanina pala may pinatay dyan na rin. What?
Like more scary than Tondo.
Ha?
It's like more scarier than Manila.
Hindi ko alam ba't nagkaganyan ng mga tao ngayon. Kaya may pulis. Ito, may pulis Kaya pala may pulis.
Just like in the morning they pinatay?
Yeah. 11.
Why? It's just there?
Yeah. Yes,
It's really not safe.
Wala ko na nangyayari sa mundo natin eh. Parang kailan lang, di ba nakatira tayo 2 years ago? Dito. Wala namang ganyan nangyayari. Kung na ipasok, dito na lang.
And you take this. And there is a dog.
Ang bala sa aso.
So, ano mukha ni Sobe?
Sabi.
Mga pre, we went here. It's a school talaga to?
Yeah, it's cool. There's police here.
But why voting is in school?
Public school to.
Public school.
Oo. Kaya siguro ginagamit na rin nila for voting. Anong precinct natin?
What's that? There is, mga pre, there is something like a table.
Kung saan ka may boboto, kung saang room.
How will you know what room? What do you mean?
Huh?
According to what you vote, there is a room?
May ID kami, di ba? Tapos nakalagay doon kung saan yung room na pagbobotohan namin. So hanapin namin kung saang room dyan.
Ganun ba? Pero bilisan mo, boto. I mean, vote responsibly but fast. It's hard.
Okay. Tara na, picturean ko. Oo, 0417N 239. Tara.
And then, where are we?
Let's go, let's go.
Ay, lagi ako na
Thank you. Ay, thank you.
I cannot pasok, di ba?
Pwede, tara. Saan tayo? Ayan, di ba? Nakalagay doon 239. So 239 kami. 234 to. Hanapin natin yung 239.
It's like you are visiting some school. I remember we visit Kyle School,
Oo,
remember?
parang ganon.
Parang you're just visiting school.
So hanapin natin yung 239. Ate, saan yung 239? Cluster 239, banda? Sa taas? Ah, sige po. Sa taas. Baka daw sa taas. Ayun, 23, wala. This way to cluster. Ito, 235, 236, 237, 238. So walang,
Okay, you can
walang
take
239 dito. Hindi dyan yung 239. Hanapin natin yung 239. Sa dulo daw, dun daw. Dito raw, dito raw.
Oh my God, to boat, it's so hot. And it's so hot.
Ha?
So hot.
Nasa Pilipinas tayo eh.
You cannot pili ibang lugar. So whatever you are.
Since nung ano pa ako, nung 18 years old pa ako, dito na talaga. Kung saan ka talaga, kahit sila mama, simula dati pa, dito na talaga. 239. Sa dulo daw eh.
Ito mga pre, 239.
Ayan, this way to cluster 239. 041, tapos hanapin natin 417N.
I have no idea what's happening here mga pre. I'm just following. They're searching for room.
Yeah, yung room na yung hahanapin natin. 417N.
Why, you gonna study?
No, that's where you will vote. Ay, dito. Saan 417N? Ah, ito. Dito pala eh. Ay,
So dito pala
417N.
sila.
Saan?
Oh, ito
Yung
pala
pangalan?
sila.
Dito raw check yung pangalan. Ito, N.
There is a listahan like you need
Yan,
to...
dito kami, 417N.
417N.
So, hanapin mo ang mukha ko.
417M?
N.
Ito.
Nasa mukha ko. Hanapin.
It's like you are sitting with this. It's in the classroom.
Yeah.
Kada-
Ito,
kada-
ito
it's
talaga
okay.
yung table. Table to lang ng mga estudyante dito.
Ha? Hello.
Okay na po. Oh, sige, pasok na daw. Oh. Pa-video ka lang kay Kyle.
Did you memorize?
Yeah.
Who to vote?
417N, tas number 49. I'm number 49.
I'm talking about who to vote. Did you memorize?
Meron ako sa phone ko.
Parang ano.
Listahan.
Parang may listahan ka.
Oo. Dito.
Ito mga pre, Eugene is like going to exam. Sabi. sabi. Look. I don't know what Eugene is doing there so long. Baka he's thinking very well of his choice. Ayun, tapos na si
Sige.
Eugene. Hello.
Nagka-problema ako. Ay, hindi ko napansin yung bilang ng vote ko.
How many
I
did you vote?
overvote. So, walang counted. Kasi ang bilang ko, naduling ako. Nagbilang ako 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kala ko kulang pa. So, binilang ko nga ulit, naduling ako, may hindi siguro ako nakita. Tapos pagkatapos nun, nagdagdag akong isa. Nung binilang ko ulit, 13 na.
So you vote 13.
Oo, so hindi counted yun kapag doble. Mas maganda palang less na lang yung boto ko kaysa ano. Vote mo, 11 lang, kulang ng isa, okay yung counted. So parang hindi ako bumoto.
So nothing, it doesn't count anything.
Yeah.
So, basura sa bansa.
Ano ba
You're
yun? Hindi ko
useless.
namang sinasadya yun, naduling ako eh.
Your father
Kaya
is so
nasayang.
fast.
Yeah.
And you, I'm like, what are you doing there for so long? Parang taking an exam?
Yeah. Eh kasi hinahanap ko yung may listahan kasi ako.
That's useless.
Kala ko kasi, sakto nilistahan ko, sabi ko, ba't ganun? Ba't parang kumulang nung binilang ko?
So wala, your vote is not counted?
Sayang tuloy. Yeah.
Why don't you? Why
Hindi,
can't-
wala. That's how it is. Just pray that kung sino yung
Dapat-
karapat-dapat, yun ang manalo na lang. Ganun na lang.
Show me your daliri.
Ha? Ito.
Useless pala yan. Useless na daliri.
Hindi ko nga alam. I counted so many times. Nung kinount ko kasi talaga 11. Tapos inulit-ulit ko, 11 naman. Sabi ko, so kulang pa ako. Tapos nung nagdagdag akong isa, nagbilang uli ako lang. 13 na.
Wala kang kwento kanya.
Hinayang tuloy ako.
I'm so disappointed on you.
Ako rin naman, disappointed din ako sa sarili ko eh.
Okay lang. Let's pray the vote is still
Yeah.
good.
Sana talaga, iaasa na lang natin sa ibang tao. Pero
Okay.
isa lang natutunan ko, next time pala talaga, magle-less na lang ako. Di bali ng kulang, wag lang
Yeah.
wag lang ano talaga.
Next time they will not take you as a voter.
No. At least natuto na ako.
Mga pre, look, so we become friends. Yeah, friends.
Sabi! Sabi, hug.
Hug, love, love,
Hug,
love, love,
love,
love,
love,
love,
love,
love,
love.
love,
Love, love, love, love. Love, love.
Hi, baby.
Love, 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 love. Oh, love, love. Oh.
You're okay. It's all girl. Ay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Ilan taon na? Magtuto na. Oh, takot. Tsaka kasi 1 and 1 year. 1 year and 1 month pa lang.
It's okay, Sabi. You just got scared. It's okay. It's okay.
Tao, sabi. You scared?
Oh, look at the baby. Say hi again like this. Hi, baby. Say hi, baby.
Hi. Say hi.
Happy
Flying
again.
kiss.
High
Flying
five,
kiss.
high five, high five.
High five, high five, high five, high five, high five.
Again, high five, high
High
five,
five, high five, high five. High five, high five.
Say bye-bye, bye-bye, baby.
Saan pupunta?
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, baby. Sayang may sa init. Wala kang kwenta ka.
Ako rin, ang hinayang ako. Ngayon lang ako bumoto na hindi na-count eh.
Talaga, hindi counted?
Yeah, hindi talaga. Kala ko sana kahit makapasok, kahit ilan lang eh. Pero wala eh, ayaw. At least na-experience mo. Diba, na sumama. At least na-experience mo sumama.
Akala ko sobrang takal, hindi pala.
Mabilis nga lang.
I
Kaya,
thought it's gonna be during like
No.
hours and hours.
pwede ba sa'yo?
Hindi pwede, puro asukal.
Puro asukal ba yan? O, hawakan mo lang.
Mga pre, we are already... I'm so nainitan. We already came back. Mga pre, it's so unfair. Every single time we labas and it's so init. I balik and it's always visible that I lumabas. Like, I'm so haggard. You know what? I don't see on Filipino people, like, no matter, like, you like,
Kanina pa siya nagtataka. Sabi niya, nagtataka ako sa kanya bakit kung saan siya lumilingon. Sabi ko, anong tinitingnan mo? Yung pala sabi niya, nagtataka daw siya sa mga tao dito, bakit daw parang siya lang daw yung mukhang haggard.
yeah, no, look at me. It's like I don't know, also, like, I don't know, so haggard. It's so unfair. Filipino people, like nothing. Like, you're just a little bit oily, but there is no, like, pagod sa mukha.
No, I don't know.
To replenish my pagod, mga pre, let's do mini mukbang. Wait, I will kasi dumaan sa 7-Eleven.
Imagine na ito yung background natin ng first vlog. As in, first vlog natin sa channel na to. Di ba?
Yeah. Funny Bunny, Chappy Bunny.
Hindi pa yon yung question and answer. Or
Question
Chubby
and
Bunny.
answer.
I think Chubby Bunny or question and answer. Basta ito dito.
Mukbang. Sausage bread from 7-Eleven. Before when we live in Antipolo, we always go to 7-Eleven. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And I always buy kung ano-ano lang. I don't eat it kasi I don't like to eat it. So, ano na lang.
Sa akin to.
Kung saan mas masarap sa akin.
Okay. Buksan ko na.
Mm.
Oh.
Anya, just kagat. Ikaw ubusin.
Asan yun?
Ube bread. Bakit it's like cheese? That all mga pre, for Eugene's not voting, that didn't natuloy. Pero okay lang. Yes, baby?
Na-experience mo na, yun na lang. Masaya na akong nakasama
At
kita.
least na-experience. Pinapala mo ako, Shubi.